everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of Kaleji Masala, which is liver, and I'm using a chicken liver. And livers are loaded with iron to give you energy and loads of vitamin B and B12, which makes them good choice for anyone prone to anemia. And chicken liver also top source of vitamin A, which helps eye health. Take one pan and put around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in it, and when oil heat up, add garam masala, the whole garam masala, and add dry red chili and mix it well, and add chicken liver and cook till it changes the color. And when liver changes the color, then add fresh garlic, the jalapeno, and the spices, which is salt, red chili powder, turmeric, and Dhania zeera powder, and mix it well and cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. And after 7 minutes, as you see, the oil is getting separated, the liver is cooked well, the chilies are cooked well. So you can taste at this time that how it is, and if you want to keep it for more 2 to 3 minutes on the stove, you can keep it. Otherwise, it's ready to serve. Chicken livers are easy to make and cook fast and super tasty, so do try this recipe, and if you have any question, let me know by comments below, and thank you so much for watching.